Enrolling in paperless billing and AutoPay is a breeze. This quick video will show you how. Under Billing and Payments, click Manage Paperless Billing. With paperless billing, you'll not only save some trees, you'll also save yourself $2.50 a month. Click on the Manage Paperless Billing button and then Enroll Now. Going paperless means you'll get an email alert when your bill is ready to view and pay online. You won't receive a paper bill anymore. Enrolling in AutoPay is another way to save money and time. You can get started on the same page by clicking on the Manage AutoPay button. When you sign up for AutoPay, your financial institution will transfer the funds directly. You can use your bank account, debit card, credit card, or payment app such as PayPal, Venmo, Google, or Apple Pay. Subscribing to AutoPay saves you another $2.50 a month. So, if you enrolled in both, you're saving yourself $5 every month. Also under Billing and Payments, you can click on View Bill History to look at past billing statements. That's it. You should be all set to save.